Hi, welcome to this video on installing Android Studio. My name is Ankur and I hope you're excited to kickstart your Android development journey. Now, when we speak about coding, the first thing that any developer needs is a text editor, somewhere where you can write code. Now, some platforms and languages have their own supercharged versions of text editor called the IDE or the Integrated Development Environment. An IDE helps the developer by providing a single application to write code, run it, compile it, build it, and even deploy and troubleshoot the application. One such IDE for Android, also recommended by Google, is the Android Studio. Now, this Android Studio is the result of years of innovation. When we started Android development years back, it was done in Eclipse using an Android plugin, but today most of the development happens in Android Studio. Now, the Android Studio comes with a lot of features which can be overwhelming for a new developer, but let us go step by step so that you feel comfortable and you can explore the studio at your own pace. So let us begin. Okay, so let's start downloading Android Studio. Go to your browser and type developer.android.com/studio. So by default, the website should show you the option which is most suitable for you. If you're downloading for somebody else, you can use this download options button here. So you will have to read and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you are done, click this checkbox and then click on Download Android Studio. Our download has finished and now let's start installing the studio. So if you're not sure about the options, just choose the default ones and you should be good to go. The installation has finished, so let's start the Android Studio. So the first time when you run the Android Studio, it will ask you to download the SDK. Now, SDK or Software Development Kit is a software written to communicate with the platform that it is meant for. So if you're not sure about the SDK or you want to know more about it, we will discuss it in the next video. So just choose the default options and begin downloading the SDK. It might take some time for the SDK to finish downloading. The SDK download has also finished and now we can finally see the Android Studio. Once you have projects, they will be listed here or the projects will open up directly. But for now, you will see the screen. So this is it for this video. Let's catch up in the next one where we begin creating our first Hello World Android project.